Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to download Roblox Studio on your phone. First things first, since you can directly access it using your phone's browser, we will be using the desktop site later on. So, you want to go to roblox.com and log into your account. Then click on the Create tab at the top of the screen. Then tap the three-bar icon at the top left and select Dashboard. Click then on the three dots or settings icon and choose Desktop Site. In here, you can now utilize the Create website similar to how you do it on a PC. Tap the three dots again and select Add to Home Screen. Enter then a name and click Add to save it to your home screen. After that, just return to your home screen and you'll see that the Create Dashboard shortcut. Lastly, clicking on the shortcut opens the Create Dashboard, allowing you to access Roblox Studio functionalities. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.